Welcome to solverfy.
Given that the number of credit reporting complaints would follow a Poisson distribution, and I think for this question the mean is 2.65 complaints per day. But if you have a different mean, then you would just replace that. Anytime I use 2.65, replace it with what your mean is. The Poisson probability mass function is given as the probability that x equals k is equal to that mean to the k times e to the negative mean over k factorial. So for part A, the probability that no credit reporting complaints are registered would be the probability that x equals 0. So that'd be 2.65 to the 0 times e to the negative 2.65 over 0 factorial. And that would then go to a calculator, although 2.65 to the 0 is 1. It's really just e to the negative 2.65 or whatever the mean is, because 0 factorial is also 1. Both of those things are 1. And we get 0.0707. For part B, the probability that exactly one credit reporting complaint is registered, well, exactly one would be 2.65 to the first times e to the negative 2.65 over 1 factorial. And let me get that into a calculator. That's 0.1872 or 18.72% chance. For C, the probability that more than 1 is 1 minus the probability that x is equal to 0. Actually, I mean less than or equal to 1. Yeah. And so that would be 1 minus the probability that x is equal to 0 plus the probability that x is equal to 1, which we just found those. And so we can substitute that. And get 0.7421 by using not the rounded version. So if you don't get this exactly from these numbers, that's because I'm keeping it full on the calculator, not using the rounded parts for it. And D, the probability that fewer than 2, well, that would be the probability that x is equal to 0 plus the probability that x is equal to 1, which is going to be 0.0707 plus 0.1872, and that is 0.2579.